If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online business but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ultimate step-by-step guide to starting an online business. Whether you're looking for financial freedom, flexibility, or the ability to work from anywhere in the world, this video will give you everything you need to get started. Let's go. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. First, let's understand why starting an online business is the right move for you. Number 1. The freedom and flexibility of setting your own schedule. Imagine waking up when you want and working on your own terms. That's the beauty of running an online business. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or digital marketing, you have full control of your time. Secondly, unlimited earning potential and scalability. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, online businesses can scale massively. You can go from making a few dollars to 6 or 7 figures with the right strategy. For example, how Shopify entrepreneurs scaled their business from $0 to $100,000 per month in a year. 3. Tap into a global market and reach millions of customers. You're not limited to local customers anymore. With the internet, you can sell to anyone, anywhere. For example, Amazon started as a small online bookstore, but now it dominates worldwide. Now, to start your online business, you need to choose the right business idea and niche. First, identifying your skills and interests. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What problems can you solve for others? Examples of profitable niches are digital courses, e-commerce, coaching, SaaS, software as a service, and print on demand. Then number 2. Conducting market research, demand and competition. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, and Amazon bestsellers to see what's trending. Find a niche that's profitable but not oversaturated. The key? Balance between demand and competition. Step 3. Validate your idea, prototyping and feedback. Create a simple landing page or MVP, minimum viable product, and collect feedback. Run a small ad campaign to test if people are actually interested before investing too much time or money. After that, build a solid foundation for your online business. Start with website development. Choose a platform and design a user-friendly website. The best platforms are Shopify for e-commerce, WordPress for blogs and services, and Kajabi for digital courses. You must focus on the elements of mobile-friendly design, fast load speed, clear CTA, call to action, and trust signals, testimonials, security badges. Then get essential tools and resources. For website hosting, use Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger. For email marketing, you can use ConvertKit, MailChimp, or ActiveCampaign. For payment gateways, partner with Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Now, focus on content marketing by engaging blog posts, videos, and social media presence. Content is king. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok to provide value and build trust. A pro tip: short-form video content, Reels, Shorts, TikTok, is currently the fastest way to grow. Now comes driving traffic and generating leads. Start with search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your content for Google. Use SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz to optimize for high-ranking keywords. Focus on high-intent keywords, those that indicate a buyer is ready to purchase. Also, you can start paid advertising with Google Ads, social media ads. Google Ads is best for high-intent searches. Facebook/Instagram ads are great for retargeting and brand awareness. TikTok ads has explosive growth potential with low ad costs. Most importantly, build a strong online community. Engage with your audience on Instagram, Facebook groups, and Discord. Run giveaways, Q&As, and live streams to keep your community active and loyal. So, You've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. Do it yourself. Hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. Now, scale your business and achieve long-term success. Focus on customer relationship management, CRM, by building a loyal customer base. Use tools like HubSpot, Zoho, or Salesforce to track and nurture leads. Retarget past buyers through email sequences and exclusive offers. Analyzing data and optimizing your strategy. Keep track of what's working. Use Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and heat maps to analyze traffic and conversions. Tweak and optimize your strategies based on real data, not guesses. Build a team and delegation for growth. As your business grows, you can't do everything alone. Hire freelancers or virtual assistants for tasks like customer service, content creation, and ad management. You can hire from Fiverr, Upwork, or onlinejobs.ph. And that's a wrap. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more content that can help you build a successful online business. Comment below what type of online business you want to start, and I'll personally reply with some advice. Until next time, keep hustling and making your dreams a reality.